કોર્સની પૂછપરછ. કમ્પ્યુટર શીખવું આજકાલ સામાન્ય વાત છે. બધા શીખે છે, પણ એ માટે કમ્પ્યુટર ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ જઈને જાણકારી તો લેવી જ પડશે ને. તો ચાલો આપણે ત્યાં જ જઈએ. પ્રીતિ કમ્પ્યુટર કોર્સ કરવા માંગે છે. આ બાબતે તે એક પ્રશિક્ષણ સંસ્થામાં પૂછપરછ કરી રહી છે.
Good evening, madam. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to know about your course in multimedia.
May I know what are you doing currently?
I'm doing a course in mass media. I'd like to learn more about video editing and computer graphics.
Very well. We have a complete one-year diploma course in multimedia. You would be given detailed training in multimedia, right away from story writing to direction and camera operations to editing and special effects.
Do you have your own studio setup and equipments?
Yes. We have a fully equipped professional studio and our course is completely practical based.
Is it a full day course? I'm doing my college, so full day will not be possible for me.
You can go for the morning or the evening batch. You have to attend around 4 hours daily.
And what is the course fee?
For 1 year, we charge 1,20,000 all inclusive. This includes your setup cost for your assigned documentary film.
Oh, I get to make my own documentary. That's great.
Yes, I told you. Our course is fully practical.
Are there any installment schemes or any scholarships that you give?
Sorry, we don't have scholarship facility, but you can pay the fees in 4 installments.
Do you have any job assurance or maybe a placement facility?
Your work will be judged by top producers and directors from the industry. And you know, most of our students got placed immediately after the course got over. We will also arrange for your campus interviews.
And when does the new batch start?
From the 1st of next month.
Thank you very much. I'll let you know in the next week after talking to my father.
No problem. Just fill this enquiry form. I will contact you next week.
Definitely. Thanks a lot.
Feel free to contact me for any queries.
Of course. Have a good day.
For you too. Bye.
ગેજેટ વિશે પૂછપરછ. મિત્રના હાથમાં કંઈક નવું કે અજીબ શું દેખાઈ જાય તો પૂછપરછ તો કરીએ જ છીએ ને. કદાચ મારા મિત્રના હાથમાં એક નવું મોબાઈલ ફોન છે. આવો પૂછપરછ કરીએ. નેહા અને મોના મોનાના નવા મોબાઈલ વિશે વાતચીત કરે છે.
Hi Mona. Where were you yesterday?
My aunt came from the US. I was busy with her for the day.
Oh wow, a new cell phone.
Yeah. My aunt brought this for me from the US.
What's the model?
Nokia 9955.
Ooh, you got the latest one.
Yeah. You know, I was about to buy a new phone. Luckily, my aunt brought one for me.
What are the features?
It has 3 megapixel camera with built-in flash, MP4 player, FM.
Does it have Bluetooth?
Yes. It also has infrared.
And how much memory does it have?
It has 8 GB memory and touch panel operations.
Do you have any songs? Can I listen to them? How's the sound quality?
It's great. Try it yourself.
God, you are so lucky.
Yes. Now I can buy a digital camera from the money I saved.
Inform me too. Even I'm planning to buy a new cell phone.
Okay. Hey, it's time for our next class. We have to reach there in time.
Yeah, we better hurry up.
Okay.